Nagsagawa naman ng clean-up drive ang mga tauhan ng Central Visayas PNP sa Guadalupe, Cebu City bilang bahagi ng sinumpaang tungkulin bilang isang pulis makakalikasan. Nag-uulat dyan si Patrolwoman Grace Coligado.
Ng cleanup drive ang Regional Community Affairs and Development Division, ARCAD 7, katuwang ang Cebu City PNP sa Celestial Garden Good Shepherd Barangay Guadalupe, Cebu City, noong Huwebes ika-4 ng Abril taong kasalukuyan. Ang nasabi aktibidad ay pinangunahan ni Police Colonel Emily D. Santos, Chief ARCAD 7, katuwang ang mga kapulisan ng City Community Affairs and Development Unit, Police Station 9 at 10 ng Cebu City Police Office, sa pamumuno ni Police Colonel Erneo B. Dalugdog, City Director at mga Criminology intern. Ayon kay Police Colonel Emily D. Santos, Chief ARCAD 7.
Good morning, I'm Colonel Emily D. Suyo Santos, the Chief ARCAD of PRO 7. And with us here is the station of Cebu City Police Stations 9 and 10, together with the police intern of University of Cebu and other force multipliers. So we're here for the clean-up drive. It's because, syempre, cleanliness starts within yourself, but the purpose of this here, cleanliness and environmental protection, and third is that people should know how to dispose their garbage properly. So, kasi katatapos lang ng activity dito nung Semana Santa, and this is the place where people frequently visited the Celestial Garden because this is a very known place in Cebu City. Also, we called it Good Shepherd. So we're here. We do this thing. It's because, as I've said a while ago sa previous interview, isa sa PNP core value is makakalikasan. So we do clean-up drive not only sa coastal or tree planting also, but here sa mountain areas because may isang place dyan na maraming pumupunta ng mga hikers at saka trekkers. So I just encourage everybody to please dispose your garbage properly and be responsible sa cleanliness.
Hikayat ng Central Visayas PNP ang komunidad na patuloy na makiisa at suportahan ang mga programang nagsusulong na pangalagaan ng ating kalikasan para makamit ang isang maaliwalas at malinis na pamayanan tungo sa bagong Pilipinas.
Mula dito sa Central Visayas, ako ang inyong Police News Network Correspondent, Patrolwoman Grace Coligado, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng balitang pulis.